6, Robots in action as Team 427. That's Lancelot balancing onto that charge station. With 2 seconds left, our drivers are looking to take control of those robots as Team 7414, that's Retro Robotics, working on grabbing that cube and placing it into that hybrid node for our Red Alliance. Heading now from the Blue Alliance side of the field, you're going to see Team 103, that's the Cybersonics, placing that cube inside of that node, and it just falls into the hybrid node, which will still be points for that Blue Alliance. Team 7414 of our Red Alliance is working on placing that cube into that hybrid node, and it falls just next to that cone that's already placed there. Team 5401, that's the Fighting Robotic Owls, looking to play a little bit of defense here against 321, who also seem to be playing defense, trying to slow down Team 103. However, with that swerve drive, they go right around them. Team 103 working on placing that cone onto that upper node of our co-op grid, while Team 5401 places the cube on their outer grid as well. We're going to see Team 5181, that's working on grabbing that cone off that fuel station, and they have it bringing the manipulator back in and racing back across the field. In the middle of our field here, we're going to see 2 defensive pushing matches as Team 321 looking to slow down Team 103 and 427 looking to slow down 7414. With just under 1 minute remaining, Team 5401 places that cube onto that outer node as Team 5181 looking to place a cone onto that node as well. 7414 places another cube. Looks like they had 2 links completed as 5181 places that cone onto that outer grid. Just 30 seconds here, we're going to start seeing our teams line up for endgame. Our Blue Alliance has 2 robots lined up, Team 5401 and 103, while Team 321 of our Red Alliance is working on balancing with Team 7414. Team 427 joining our Blue Alliance balancing here as well. Hopefully they can get a triple done, and it looks like they will, as we see Team 5181 racing back across the field to part in that community for points as well. With 3 seconds left, that's going to end qualification match number 6 here at Rank Riot.
So they're looking at 4 low 2.